Hey guys, tonight we are making some good old chili. And we have Aaron in the kitchen tonight. I asked him if he wanted to come help us cook, and he was excited to help cook. So let me show you how we make it. In a large pot, you're going to add a little bit of oil. Okay. Once your oil is heated, you're going to go ahead and add in a chopped onion. Good job. All right. Once your onions have been cooking a few minutes, we're going to add in our ground beef. I'm using 2 pounds of 93.7 lean ground beef. Once your meat is browned, I'm not going to drain mine because it's really lean ground beef. If you have a higher fat ground beef, you may want to drain it. But to this, we're going to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Okay. Good job. Okay. I filled this can up about halfway with water, and then we're going to dump that in. Good job. Now we're going to add in 2 packages of mild chili seasoning or chili mix. Good job. Now we're going to add in 2 cans of chili beans. We like the mild. With the juice. Now we're going to add in two cans of dark red kidney beans and 1 can of black beans that we have drained and rinsed. Be careful. Good job, Aaron. Now's the time you want to look and see if you want to add any more beans or if this is enough beans for your family. I think I'm going to go ahead and add in my other can of black beans. Good job. Now I'm going to taste it and see if I want to adjust my seasonings. It needs some salt, so instead of salt, I'm going to add in beef bouillon. If you've been here any time, you know that's what we do. I'm going to add in some pepper. I'm going to add in some onion powder and garlic powder. Okay, shake it in. All right, that's enough. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Good job. Thank you. All right, now we got to stir. This may be a little controversial, but now I'm going to add in just a little bit of sugar. Can I add that in? Good. We're going to go in with just a little bit more water. I like my chili a little bit on the thinner side. Now we're going to turn it down on low and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. Okay, and put the lid on it. It's heavy. Good job. After it's done simmering for that amount of time, we are going to taste it again and see if we need to adjust our seasonings. I have been known to taste it now before it gets warm and add a bunch of seasonings, and then when we sit down to eat our chili, it's like it's too much. So I'm going to wait, let it heat up, let the flavors kind of marry together, and then we'll taste it again to adjust seasonings. Okay guys, so I let this simmer for about 15 or 20 minutes. I went back in and tasted it for seasoning. I did add in some more beef bouillon, some more garlic powder, onion powder, and I added a little chili powder to it. So that's what I ended up adding to it. There is my bowl. Can y'all see that? I like to eat mine plain with some saltine crackers. The guys like to eat it like this, with cheese and sour cream. All right, Aaron, this is your bowl. Okay. So Aaron's going to help me do a taste test. You have to let me know if it's good or not, okay? You want to take a bite? Yeah, it's a little warm, so be careful. What do you think? Is it good? Can you say yummy? All right, let Mama do a taste test, okay? Aaron approved. Not hot. First bowl of chili of the season. I'm ready for it. That's really good. So, I hope you guys tried. It's super easy, super quick, and we have a huge pot. So, we'll be eating on this for several days, which is what I love. I don't have to cook for a couple of days. So, I hope you guys try it. Let me know if you do. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Bye.